We have just received a shipment of brand new wood chippers. Now's your chance to get one of these 8-inch power-fed chippers at a very reasonable price. We will match any reasonable price on the internet. Contact us for the best prices possible. We also have 2 brand new 284 Genmar tractors with front loaders, and we will sell these for $9,100 each plus shipping. So contact me, Walt Barrett, as soon as possible. That's Walt Barrett, 401-725-8141 in Rhode Island, or email me at wbarrett1@aol.com. Thank you very much.